How to disable offers notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable offers notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First, then open SoundCloud and then click library, and now click on your profile in the top corner, and here you will find settings, and then click notifications. Now scroll down until you find SoundCloud offers, and if you want to disable it, all you need to do is just turn it on. Click on it, and as you see, SoundCloud offers have been disabled. And as you see, that's how to disable SoundCloud offers. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.